Select a phone number to get started with user assignment. Click Assign User to quickly link this number to someone on your team. Open the Choose User drop-down to pick who should receive this number. Select the desired user from the list for a seamless assignment. Save your changes to instantly assign the phone number to the user. Use the filter to view numbers by status. Narrow down the list by filtering numbers based on their current status. Easily filter numbers by user to streamline management and oversight. View numbers assigned to each user for effortless tracking and updates. Filter by area to instantly organize your phone numbers by region. Select by area code to quickly find and manage numbers based on location.